Welcome back to Exploring Quantum Physics. Today, we're diving headfirst into one of the most iconic and mind-bending concepts in the quantum world, Schrödinger's cat. Imagine a scenario where a cat can be both alive and dead at the same time, depending on an unpredictable quantum event. It's not science fiction, it's quantum physics. So, let's unravel the mystery behind Schrödinger's cat. In this famous thought experiment, we place a cat in a sealed box, along with a radioactive atom, a vial of poison, and a Geiger counter. If the atom decays, the Geiger counter triggers the release of poison, which would sadly result in the cat's demise. But here's the quantum twist: until we open the box and make an observation, according to quantum mechanics, the cat is in a superposition of being both alive and dead simultaneously. To understand Schrödinger's cat, we must first grasp the concept of wave-particle duality. Particles, like electrons, can exist in multiple states at once, behaving both like waves and particles. Here's the kicker: it's the act of measurement or observation that collapses this quantum superposition, forcing the cat into one of its possible states, either alive or dead. Schrödinger's cat has led to profound discussions and interpretations of quantum mechanics. The Copenhagen interpretation suggests that observation plays a crucial role in the outcome, while the many worlds interpretation proposes that both outcomes exist in separate branches of the universe. Schrödinger's cat isn't just a thought experiment, it's relevant in the world of quantum computing and quantum cryptography, where quantum states can be harnessed for powerful computations and secure communication. This thought experiment sparks philosophical questions about the nature of reality, determinism, and the role of the observer in shaping the quantum world. In wrapping up our exploration of Schrödinger's cat, we've journeyed through the intriguing world of quantum superposition, measurement, and interpretation. It's a reminder that the quantum realm is full of surprises and challenges our classical intuitions. In our next episode, we'll continue our voyage through the quantum realm, unveiling more mysteries and wonders. Until then, keep exploring and keep questioning the quantum world.